students. After a long vacation, we are going to start new academic session of class 4. First of all, before going to start new chapter of class 4, we revised all the work of class 3. Okay? So first of all here, number in words. First topic we are going to take number in words. Last year you learned 3 digits number. Now here in 4th standard you have to learn more digits numbers. So here first one is number in words. I give the example of each number in words. So how to write number in words? First of all, first number is 243. How to read it? 243. Here is the ones place, tens place and hundred place. Right? This is 3 digit number. So 243. That means 243. How to write now? 243. Clear? Another example, 607. 607. How to read this? 607. So write here 607. Okay? So first one is number in words. How to write number in words. Clear? Now second, number in figure. So whichever number are given in figure, that we have to write in figure. So I give one example. Suppose it is 134. How to write this now? 134. So here write 134. Okay. One more example. Suppose 750. Only this word is given of numbers. So here we have to write numbers 750. First of all 700 and then 50. So 50. Okay. So our second topic also clear. Now third one. Place value of numbers. Place value of numbers. If I write here one example like 238. So, do you remember what the place value of this? See, first one is on ones place, right? This one is on tens place and this one is on hundred place. Okay? Hundred place, tens place and ones place. Now, how to write the place value? If this one is on first ones place, so place value is same number. So write here 8. Now, place value of 3. 3 is on tens place. That means how many times 10 in this place? 3 times tens. So 3 and how many number after 3? 1 only. So write 1 0. You have to add 0 after whichever number is there. Now here 2 on 100 place. So write here 2 and after that how many numbers are there? 1 and 2. So write here 2 digit, 2 0. Okay. One more example. If there is a 0 in any number like 703. How to write the place value? Now here this one is the ones place, tens place and hundred place. So on ones place, place value is same number 3. Now here on tens place. how many times you write 0? Suppose you write 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. But it say only 0. Value of 0 is always 0. How many zeros are there? Okay? So, 0's value is always 0. How many number write here? 0. 1 time or 2 time or 5 time. But 0's value is always 0. Now here 7. So after 7, how many digits are there? 1 and 2. So 7 and then 2 zeros are there. Okay? So here first topic is number in words. Clear? Second topic is number in figure. Also clear? Third one is place value of number. So there is a ones, tens and hundred place and you have to write the place value of each number. Now next topic is expanded form. It's similar like place value. So here I give one example. Suppose the figure is 199. Here I have to write expanded form. Means we have to divide all the number. So here see first. First one is 1. After that how many numbers are there? Digit 2 only. So write 2 0. Clear? First one is 1 and we write after 2 digits, so 2 0. Plus 9. Now next number 9. After that how many numbers? Only one number. So 9 and we add instead of this number 0. Okay? And last one is single 9. So on one's place there is any number, same value is there. Okay? So here 100 plus 90 plus 9. One more example. 843. So what the expanded form of this? 8 after how many digits are there? 2. So write here 2 0. Then 4 after how many digits? Only 1. So write 1 0. And then last digit on one's place, it's same value. So write here 3.